Hello and welcome to a video walkthrough of a Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. This 2020 edition is powered by a Mercury 40 horsepower outboard 4-stroke motor. The boat comes equipped with a swim ladder, lockable helm compartment similar to that found on jet skis. The boat is built with performance in mind and ease of maintenance. These are a great boat for young children, families getting out on the water, also used as tenders on many yachts. There are options that can be put on this boat, including backrest seats, bimini tops, forward bow cushions, coolers. Please contact us at 860-399-5581. We are MarineMax of Westbrook, located at 627 Boston Post Road. This boat comes with a boat, motor, and engine trailer package. Offered by MarineMax of Westbrook, 860-399-5581. Thanks for watching.